In this video, we will learn how to scale and rotate objects in Blender. First, let's learn how to scale. Just select the object, press yes, and if we press X, then this object will scale along X axis. If we press yes and then Y, then this object will scale up and scale down along Y axis. Similarly, if we press yes and then Z, then this object will be scale up and scale down along Z axis. Okay. Now to learn rotation, shortcut key is R. If we press R and then X, then this cube will rotate along X axis only. Now if we press R and then Y, then this subcube will rotate along Y axis. Now if we press R and then Z, then this object will rotate along Z axis. Subscribe for more.